Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we will continue Block 5 Animals are Important. Subtitle Endangered and Extinct Animals. What is our aim today? Explain difference between endangered and extinct animals. Keywords endangered and extinct. We will see what is the difference between endangered and extinct animals. Okay, I will show you some pictures, then you will get it easily. Okay, see the picture. Did you know which animal is this? Can you say please? Yes, dinosaurs. Okay, see the picture. Which animal is this? Yes, tiger. See the picture? Tiger and dinosaurs. Who are these animals? Have you seen them? These pictures are of a dinosaurs and tiger. There are no dinosaurs on earth anymore. There are some animals that are no more living on earth. Is it? Such animals are called extinct animals. There are some animals that are slowly reducing in number. They might become extinct. Such animals are called endangered animals. Today we will learn the difference between endangered and extinct animals. Open your content book and look at the picture carefully and observe which animals are endangered and which animals are extinct. Write down in the notebook the names of endangered and extinct animals. Look at the picture and observe the pictures carefully and you can write, okay? Before writing, I will show you some pictures, then you will get it easily. See the picture? Animals like dodo are extinct. They were flightless birds. See the picture? Snow leopard. See the picture? Panda. Tiger. See this animal? Rhinoceros. These animals are example for endangered animals. What is the meaning of endangered animals? There are some animals that are slowly reducing in number. They might become extinct. Such animals are called endangered animals. See this picture? Dodo bird. See this animal? Dinosaurs. Very huge animal, is it? These animals are example for extinct animals. What is the meaning of extinct animals? There are some animals that are no more living on earth. Such animals are called extinct animals. Now you got it? Endangered animals: tiger, panda, snow leopard, rhinoceros. Extinct animals: dodo, dinosaurs. Now we will go through content book. You have to read it. Observe the pictures carefully. Now you got it. What is the difference between extinct and endangered animals? Why are animals endangered? Endangered animals are those that are dying very fast. Why? Animals that are slowly reducing in number. What will happen then? They would become extinct one day. Nowadays, people are using to make jewelry, elephant's tusk, and tiger's teeth. Tiger's skin also using to make clothes. Panda also give fur, which is very costly. Rhinoceros horns are used to make medicines. Because of these reasons, these animals are being killed by us and they are reducing in number. How we will protect the animals? Don't kill the animals for our purpose. So we should spread the message all over the world. We should protect them. That is our duty, is it? Now we will go through workbook page number 31, S3, endangered and extinct. Look at the picture carefully. What is the first question? Name two animals that may soon disappear from the earth. What do we call them? What is the answer? You can write tiger and panda. What we will call them? We will call them endangered animals. What is the second question? How are extinct animals different from endangered animals? Extinct animals are those that are no more found in this world. All of them have died. You have to write that in the first column. Second column, you have to write in second column. There are some animals that are slowly reducing in number. They might become extinct. Such animals are called endangered animals. You want to write in simple words, you can write there are some kinds of animals that have all died out. These animals are called extinct animals. Animals that are few in number and becoming fewer and fewer day by day are called endangered animals. Any answer you can write. What is the third question? What will happen to tigers if they become extinct? What will happen to tigers if they become extinct? What will happen? If they become extinct, tigers can eat other animals, is it? There is not only the food for tiger, is it? Children, I hope you understood the lesson. Stay at home, be happy, be healthy, eat healthy food. Okay, take care children. Bye-bye. Thank you.